Is another Real Housewives marriage officially on the rocks and beyond repair? Hold on to your designer clutches because Real Housewives of Atlanta alum Brit Eady has reportedly waved the white flag, beelining it to court to file for divorce from husband Michael Cunningham after a mere 5 years. The tea is piping hot, folks, as Brit listed December 1st as their separation date, just weeks after a cryptic, now-deleted Instagram post hinted at trouble in paradise, leaving fans absolutely reeling. She's claiming their marriage is irretrievably broken, and in a power move that's got everyone talking, Brit explicitly stated she doesn't want Michael getting a single dime of spousal support or alimony. Talk about a clean break. Well, the couple seems to agree on splitting the proceeds from their Fulton County home and keeping their own cars. The real kicker is Brit's plea to seal the entire case, citing their status as reality TV stars and public figures. It seems this RHOA star wants to keep the messiness behind closed doors, but with a deleted social media post and a public filing, good luck with that, Brit. What drama do you think led to this sudden split? Don't miss any exclusive scoops. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the latest celebrity chaos.
That's all for now. Subscribe for your daily dose of Hollywood entertainment.